How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So here I am in the TikTok app. I'm gonna click the three lines in the top right. Then I'm gonna click settings and privacy. From here, click privacy and scroll all the way down. And the second to last option here, we can see viewers. That's the option. So it's not called profile view anymore. It's just called viewers. So let's click on that and enable it. And there you go. The option is enabled. If this doesn't work, TikTok's profile view history feature is only available to users who are 16 years or older and have fewer than 5,000 followers. If you don't meet these criteria, the feature won't be accessible. If you have any further problems with this, then go to Play Store, type in TikTok, click on it, and make sure that it's updated. Click the dots in the top right, and here as you can see, enable auto update is checked for me. Make sure that that's checked for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.